how to fix lost AirPods. So if you want to fix your lost AirPods, or if you want to find it, then just follow this video. First, let me tell you that it will be enabled to locate your AirPods if you have not previously enabled Find My on your iPhone, which is you need to just go with Find My app, and here you need to go with plus, which is right here. After that, add your AirPods. Once you add your AirPods, even if you lost them, then you'll be able to find your lost AirPods from Find My. But if you've not added, then unfortunately, there's no option to find them. Now, if you've added it on Find My, then you can just simply find your AirPods name right here. You can just simply go and tap on your AirPod name, and it will give you the play sound and directions. You need to tap on the directions, and it will take to Maps app, where you'll be able to see the last known location of your AirPods. The disadvantage of using Find My to locate your AirPods is that they don't have their own cellular data and are not connected to Wi-Fi. To address this issue, Apple has decided to allow your AirPods to connect via Bluetooth to your other Apple devices that are connected to the internet. This is not perfect, since it would only work when your AirPods are in the Bluetooth range of your device that you are using to track them with. Because of this, you'll often see on the screen no location found, offline, or just last known location of your device. Even if your missing AirPods are not in your range, you may still be able to locate them. They can use Find My network to send their location to the app services. So any Apple product with Find My enabled can help you locate your AirPods. However, keep in mind that this will only work if you had the Find My network feature enabled before losing your AirPods. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.